the awesome people at Merit sent me some goodies to share with you guys, so I cannot wait to show you these and try them on for the first time. This is sponsored, but the opinions are my own. You guys know my opinions cannot be bought. They are all genuine. Now, if you like anything that you see here, I will include an affiliate link down in the description. It's not a discount code, but admittedly, I do get a 10% commission of the cart value. So, and you do get the signature Merit bag on your first order if you're a new customer. And it's a really cute bag, so just saying, it goes with everything. I think you'll like it. So, anywho, we've got 3 new goodies here. They all just came out. I'm gonna start with, what will we start with? I think the highlighter is a good place to start. Because you know, I love me some highlighter. So this is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm in Solstice. This is their newest shade. It retails for, I've got the product info right here, retails for $32. So this is not cheap, but when products are really quality, you don't need a lot of things. So, to use, layer on last over cheek and brow bones, or as a prep step on bare skin for an all-over glow. So I have my blush on, so we're going to go ahead and just apply it over that. And this is what it looks like. You wouldn't even know it's a highlighter from the outside. So you open it up, and it looks very dark. I have to admit, this is their darkest shade. But I did do a little test swatch on my hand before I got here. So, like, one swipe goes down like this, but it doesn't have to be that dark. But it also blends out. So you could just go very, very, very lightly and also get something as light as down near my thumb, or kind of in between. You know, it's got different applications depending on how much you apply and how heavy of a hand you use. Now, even with like that darkest one, I'm gonna prove a point here. Because on one end of it, I just blended it with my pinky. And it no longer looks real dark, does it? You can see where it shifts. So, I'm just saying. Now, that said, we are going to use the brush number 1 blending brush, also from Merit. And this baby retails for $32 as well. And it looks like this. This I haven't played with yet. So it looks like this. A little bit kabuki-ish. Oh, those are so soft. Oh, I like that. Let me test it on the swatch first before we do anything to the face, so I know what I'm working with here. Oh, okay. Alright. So I blended across all 3. And it does just kind of seamlessly blend into your skin. If we can kind of see here. Like, that's how flawless it is. Yeah, so, that said, let's go ahead on in. We're going to do this first. I also have a lip product from them we'll do after, but let's start with the highlighter first. Because it's always a good place to start, right? Right. So I'm just going to go right above my blush. Now on its own, that seems dark and like, what did you just do, right? But with this brush, just gonna buff that right in. Easy peasy. Pretty darn simple. It's got a gorgeous glow versus no glow. Glow, no glow. Let's match it all up on the other side. But yeah, that is how simple it is to use. Just saying, it's pretty dummy proof. I'm pretty much a noob when it comes to makeup, even though I've been doing this on YouTube for so many years, but we know I'm not the most skilled. So if even I can do it and make it look good, you know that it's gotta be pretty darn easy, right? Right. But it helps when you have the correct tools like this. And just like that, beautiful, natural glow. So don't be scared off by it being a darker highlighter, because actually that does work really well, even on pasty little me here. Let's put it the other places I like to put it. Right up near the brow bone. I usually like it intense here, so let's see if it does as well when we put it on that heavily. And try to just blend that out. Oh, wow. No way. Wow. That's so crazy how seamlessly that blends. My goodness. That's so nuts. Because you saw how dark that was when I first put it down. And it doesn't take a lot, as you saw, to apply to get that gorgeous glow. So your product should last you a good while. So it may cost a lot, but it'll go far. Beautiful. And I like to do down the nose and across the tippy tip as well. Usually about rightish there. This might be iffier, admittedly. We'll see what happens here. Before, looking like clown makeup, until... Oh, it's already better. Okay, good. I scared myself for a minute there. I was like, am I making a huge mistake? Well, admittedly, it's not playing the nicest with my foundation. I will be real with you. But I also used a different foundation today than my norm, so it could be that. It's still passable, but we can tell it kind of ate the foundation, so that's alright. That's alright. It kind of left little foundation crumbs, but I'll fix that later. But still, it's not bad. It's not bad. I just have to be careful what I use it with. And then a little bit right down here on the chinny chin chin. It won't be a soul patch for long, don't worry. Yeah, something like that. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. So, we're going to move on to our lip product that we also got. But let me put this away first. Okay. So, our lip product, this is not the first time I've used their lipstick. It is from their signature lipstick, which I've used before, but this is the color Sunday, which I've not used before. This stuff retails for $26, and they've got 16 shades, 8 satins, 8 mattes. Packaging looks like this. Okay. And Sunday is this really pretty kind of dusty rose shade, and it is one of the mattes. But yeah, you get this much product. Lightweight and buildable, all sorts of good stuff. So let's swatch on the hand. One swipe gives you this. It's a bit sheer, as you can tell, and you can see how there's variation in pressure, how it goes from sheer to more opaque. So I did that on purpose to show the buildability of it, even in one swipe. So let me pull this up now. I do love how bougie just the packaging feels and everything. It feels very luxurious. I'm very into this. Okay, let's see how it does. Ooh, yeah. And with that chiseled edge, you can kind of do it like a liner as well. Try to pick that little spot there. Okay. I think that's about good. Okay. And I will lean in a moment so you can see it. So look at that! Really pretty. They're not joking when they say it's lightweight. I almost don't even feel it. The only giveaway to me that it's even on, despite the fact that I just put it on, is that it does have like that slight lipsticky, little bit emollient feel to it. But it's so lightweight that if it weren't for that, you would not even know it's on. You don't feel the pigment beads or anything in it. It's not like that. It's really, really nice, actually. Now, does it transfer? Probably, but a little. Not as bad as I expected it to, but it's not sticky at all, so you don't have to worry about your hair blowing in it in a windy day or anything. Let me check with a drink to see how it holds up. I have some hot tea here. It actually didn't even transfer on the cup that bad. I'm really surprised by that. So let me see. I think it stayed put pretty well, actually. Wow, look at that. Okay. Okay. I would say it's worth the money. Absolutely, and I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me for free. I'm saying that because that is my honest feeling on that. I've been reviewing Merit stuff even before I affiliated with them, so this is good stuff, guys. Don't sleep on it if you want to treat yourself to something a little bougie. It's a little bit spendy, but on the other hand, it's stuff that actually does do the one thing it's supposed to do. So, you know, I think it's worth it. I think it's absolutely worth the money. Again, my affiliate link will be down in the description of the video, so be sure to click on that, get yourself the signature bag while you're at it, and that's that. So, as usual, guys, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.